Turtle Ridge here, Chief and Dirty, at the new spread. Had the loggers come through, had the dozers come through. They cleared me a spot. As of November, into November, 2023, the Biden depression, the rock was $290 a load. So, might have been $295. I had 4 loads dropped, which was good because my measurements were off. I didn't measure the trusses. I bought them. They're supposed to be 40-foot trusses. So I did the math in my head, and I laid it out for that. But turns out I was incredibly wrong. So I had 2 extra loads of rock delivered. The truck delivering it. It was a Ford, so it got stuck in the mud. I think if it was a Dodge, it wouldn't have got stuck. Like a Cummins. Not a Dodge, but, you know, a Cummins. There's a big difference. But he was a good delivery driver. Got it right where I wanted it. This one was complicated because the truck got stuck like 3 times. The other one was very smooth and took about 30 minutes. Started about 8 o'clock. Ended about 11. I still got to go to work, but I'm thinking of painting these things because that one's uglier than hell. But yeah, I had the truck driver dump rock, and it's probably all about 10 inches thick. And the cargo containers were $7,200. So for 2 containers, it was $7,200. A lot of money. They're high cubes. I hope. I didn't measure them, so I don't really know. I got a problem with measuring things. So after I get the fences done, if there's any money left over, I'll get another pad of gravel delivered and a 3rd cargo container. But I have to buy the wood, the sheet metal, and get the fences done first. Budget's pretty tight. If not, I'll sell some firewood and save up until I get the 3rd container or whatever. But glad I bought extra rock because I ended up using a bunch to get the truck out. Fords get stuck in the mud. That's what they do. That's why you gotta have a Cummins or a Toyota around to bail them out. All right, that's it. Cheap and dirty. Stay updated, and we'll build another barn.